Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Since the moment my husband and I decided to start a family, one of our top goals was to keep our kids cultured through travel and helping our children to see that there's so much more out there than just our small hometown. So far, we've done pretty good, and it's time to start filling in the gaps. And this beautiful travel pushpin map has helped us to see where we've been and where we still need to go. We had such a good time filling in this map and reminiscing about all the places we've been in the U.S. Because there's so many different colors of push pins, we were able to color code the places we've been to as a family, places we've only driven through, airports we've been to, and places we've been to as a couple. We were also able to push pin our next destination and make a small wish list for future trips. I like that you're able to take the push pins out and push them back in different areas without ruining the corkboard. It's made of a very nice and durable material from the corkboard to the frame. I also love that the wooden backdrop and the colors are easily matched with many different home decor. You're able to hang this on the wall, or you can also use the stand if you'd rather have it on a shelf or a desk. We are so happy to have this pushpin corkboard travel map in our home. It keeps us reminiscing about the past and dreaming of the future, and it makes a great conversation piece for our guests. This would also be a great gift for the traveler in your life. And that's my point of view.